Good afternoon, children. Today, let us do few questions related to the topic division of integers. Okay, as you already learned about division of integers, the rules of division of integers: positive divided by positive, positive; negative divided by negative, positive; positive divided by negative is negative, and negative divided by positive is negative. Okay, our first question is 18 divided by negative 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Positive divided by negative is negative. So our answer is negative 3. Okay. Next is negative 30 divided by negative 10. 30 divided by 10, 3. Negative divided by negative, positive. So positive 3 is our answer. 60 divided by negative 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Positive divided by negative is negative. So our answer is negative 12. Okay. First divide the numbers and write the correct sign. Now children, let us do these multiplication pyramids. Multiplication pyramids. Okay. Children, here the last row, the numbers given are 5 and negative 1. Okay, let us start from here. 5 into negative 1 is equal to negative 5. So, in this box, negative 5. Next children, in the last row, the third box is empty. And in the second row, the number given in the second box is 6. So, to find the integer in this box, we have to divide 6 by negative 1. 6 divided by negative 1 is negative 6. So, here the integer is negative 6. Okay. Now, let us find the number inside this box, that is negative 5 into 6, which is equal to negative 30. Negative 30 is inside this box. Okay. So, children, start from the last row. 5 into negative 1 is negative 5. Then in the last row, the third box is missing. So, to find the number in the third box, we have to divide the number given in the second box by the number given in the third row. Okay, that is 6 divided by negative 1 is negative 6. Now find the number in the first row. Negative 5 into 6, that is negative 30 is our answer. Our next question is, this is our next question. Here the numbers in the second row are given, and in the last row the middle number is given. Okay, so let us start from the second row. 12 divided by negative 2. Okay, 12 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 6. Because 12 divided by 2 is 6. Since we are dividing a positive number by a negative number, so our answer is negative 6. Okay. Now find the number in this box, that is negative 8 divided by negative 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Negative divided by negative is positive. So our answer is positive 4. Now find the number in this box, that is 12 into negative 8, that is negative 96. Okay, positive into negative, negative. So here our answer is negative 96. Okay. Now children, Next question is 3 into negative 4 inside the bracket divided by negative 2. 3 into negative 4 divided by negative 2. Children, do the calculation in brackets first. BODMAS rule. Brackets. So 3 into negative 4 which is equal to negative 12. Then negative 12 divided by negative 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Negative divided by negative is positive. So our answer is positive 6. Okay. Next is negative 3 plus 15 divided by negative 4. Brackets first. So negative 3 plus 15. Here we are adding numbers with different sign. So 15 minus 3, that is 12. Then put the larger number sign. Since the larger number is 15, our answer also positive because 15 is a positive number. Okay. Then 12 divided by negative 4. Positive divided by negative. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Negative 3 is our answer. So here negative 3 is our answer. Okay. Children, first we are doing the calculation in the bracket, that is negative 3 plus 15. We are adding numbers with different sign. Subtract the numbers, that is 15 minus 3 is 12. Then put the larger number sign. Here the larger number is positive. So our answer is positive 12. Now 12 divided by negative 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Here we are dividing a positive number by a negative number. So our answer is negative. Okay. Next question is find the value of x. Find the value of x. X divided by negative 4 is equal to 8. Okay, x. X is an unknown number. We don't know. That is unknown. Okay. So now we are finding the value of x. X divided by negative 4 is equal to 8. So x is equal to, here children, the quotient is given, that is 8. And the divisor also given, negative 4. We need to find the dividend. So multiply the quotient by the divisor. Okay. Here in this case, we have to find the dividend. Divisor and quotient are given. Quotient is the answer in division. Okay. So to find the dividend, we have to multiply the quotient by the divisor. Quotient in a divisor kondu multiply. Okay. So 8 4s are 32. Positive into negative, negative. So the value of x is negative 32. Okay. Now our next question is 16 divided by x is equal to negative 2. 16 divided by x is equal to negative 2. Children, here 16 is the dividend, x is the divisor and negative 2 is the quotient. Here we have to find the divisor. So to find the divisor, divide the dividend by the quotient. Dividend in a quotient kondu divide cheyyam. Okay. Here the position of x is in the place of divisor. നമുക്ക് divisor ആണ് ഇവിടെ calculate ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. Okay. So to find the divisor, you should divide the dividend by the quotient. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Here we are dividing a positive number by a negative number. So our answer is negative. So x is equal to negative 8. Okay. Our next question is, round these numbers to the nearest whole number. Round these numbers to the nearest whole number to estimate the answer. Nearest whole number. Decimal numbers are given, children. Decimal numbers. First question is negative 8.75 divided by 2.8. Here both numbers are decimal numbers. First we have to round these numbers to the nearest whole number. Nearest whole number. Okay. So check the 10th place. 10th place means decimal കഴിഞ്ഞു വരുന്ന first place. That is 10th place. Here the 10th place is 7. 7 means which is greater than 5. Okay. 7 is greater than 5. If the digit in the 10th place is 5 or more than 5, 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in the ones place and replace the 10th place and 100th place by zeros. Okay. 9.00 which is equal to 9 because the zeros are valueless. Okay. So children, here we are rounding the given number to the nearest whole number. So 8.75 becomes 9. So check the 10th place. 10th place means the first place after the decimal. Decimal കഴിഞ്ഞു വരുന്ന first place ആണ് 10th place. If the 10th place is 5 or more than 5, 5 or more than 5. 5 or more than 5 means 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. അങ്ങനെ ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? Add 1 to the digits in the ones place. Ones placeലെ ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെ കൂടെ 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. Okay. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Now replace the 10th place and 100th place by zeros. So our new number is 9.00 which is equal to 9. Okay. Because here after the decimal only zeros. So those zeros are valueless. Okay. Now let us change 2.8 also. Same method, children. Check the 10th place which is greater than 5. So add 1 to the ones place. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3.0. Replace this by 0. Okay. So our new number is 3. So here we round the given numbers to the nearest whole number. Okay. Now our question is negative 8.75 divided by 2.8. Now 8.75 becomes 9 and 2.8 becomes 3. This is negative 9. Okay. When we round 8.75 to the nearest whole number, it becomes 9 and 2.8 becomes 3. Now do the calculation. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Negative divided by positive is negative. Okay, this is our answer. Let us do one more question also. That is B. 18.1 divided by negative 5.9. 18.1 divided by negative 5.9. 18.1. Check the 10th place which is 1. 1 means which is less than 5. Okay, less than 5. If the digit in the 10th place is less than 5, replace this digit by 0 and write the remaining digits. So 18.0 becomes 18. Okay, because this 0 is valueless. So here the digit in the 10th place is less than 5. If the digit in the 10th place is less than 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You should replace the 10th place by 0 and write the remaining digits. Okay. So 1 becomes 0 and write 18. So 18.0 which is equal to 18. Next 5.9. The digit in the 10th place is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the digit in the 1's place. 5 plus 1 is 6 and replace this by 0. So 5.9 becomes 6.0 which is equal to 6. Okay. 6.0 means 6. So we round 18.1 becomes 18 and 5.9 becomes 6. Okay. Now do the calculations. 18.1 divided by negative 5.9. 18.1 becomes 18 and 5.9 becomes 6. Since the sign of 5.1 is negative, so which is negative 6. Now do the calculation. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Positive divided by negative, negative. So negative 3 is our answer. Okay. So children, here we are rounding the given decimal numbers to the nearest whole number. Nearest whole number means പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ അതിൽ decimal part ഉണ്ടാവാൻ പാടില്ല. Okay. So check the 10th place. 10th place means the first place after the decimal. If it is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, replace the 10th place by 0 and 10th, 100, 1000 എത്ര places ഉണ്ടോ അതൊക്കെ 0 ആക്കുക. Then write the remaining digits in the whole number part. Okay. If the digit in the 10th place is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digit in the 1's place and replace the 10th place by 0. Okay. 10th place മാത്രമല്ല 100th 1000th ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിനെയൊക്കെ 0 ആക്കി മാറ്റാം. Since the places if the places after the decimal are zeros, it is valueless. Okay. So write the remaining digits. Do the next questions as homework, children. These two questions are homework for you. Next is round these numbers to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Our question is negative 48 into negative 29. Negative 48 into negative 29. Here we are rounding the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay. Nearest 10 means the last digit should be a 0. Okay. Now let us do this. Negative 48. 1 minute. Negative 48 into negative 29. First we have to round it into nearest 10. So check the digit in the 1's place. Okay. Nearest 10 means a 10 in the തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള place, that is 1's place. Check it. Which is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. So what will we do? Add 1 to the digit in the 10's place. Add 1 to the digit in the 10's place. 4 plus 1 is 5 and replace this digit by 0. Now 48 becomes 50. Okay. So children, here we are rounding the given number to the nearest 10. So check the digit in the 1's place. 1's place. Here the 1's place is 8. 1's place is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the digit in the 10's place. Here 10's place is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then replace the ones place by 0. Ones place in a 0 ആയിട്ട് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാം. So our answer is 50. 48 becomes 50. Now the next number is 29. Check the digit in the ones place, that is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So what will we do, children? Add 1 to the digit in the tens place. 2 plus 1 is 3 and this 9 becomes 0. Okay. So 29 becomes 30. Here the ones place is 9 which is greater than 5. So add 1 to the digit in the tens place. Tens place is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 and replace the ones place by 0. So our new number is 30. Okay. Now let us do the calculation. Negative 48 into negative 29 is our question. 48 becomes 50 and 29 becomes 30. When we round to the nearest 10, this is our new numbers. Now put the sign negative 50 and negative 30. Do the calculation. 5 into 3, 15 and put 2 zeros. The easiest way of multiplication. Okay. First multiply the numbers without zeros. 5 into 3, 15. Then in 50, 1 0 and in 30 also 1 0. So put 2 zeros in our answer. So 1500. Since we are multiplying two negative numbers, our answer is positive 1500. Okay. Let us do one more question also. Question B. Negative 18.1 into 61.5. Okay, negative 18.1 into 61.5. Here we are rounding the numbers to nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10. First 18.1. Nearest 10 means check the ones place. Ones place. Here ones place is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 1, 2. Then replace this by zeros. Okay. Replace this by zeros. So 18.1 becomes 20.0 which is equal to 20. This 0 is valueless. Okay. So children, here we are rounding 18.1 to nearest 10. Check the digit in the ones place. Okay. Ones place. Tens ആണെങ്കിൽ ones place ആണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുക. So here which is more than 5. So add 1 to the digit in the 1 tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2 and replace the other digits. Other digit means there are two digits after the tens place, that is 8 and 1. Replace it by zeros. So 20.0 which is equal to 20. Okay. Next number is 61.5. Same method, children. Check the digit in the tens place, ones place, which is 1. 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. So replace the tenth and ones by zeros and write the tens place, that is 6. Okay. Here the ones place is 1 which is less than 5. So replace the tenth place and ones place by zeros and write the digit in the tens place. So 60.0 becomes 60. Okay. So when we round 61.5 to the nearest 10, we will get 60 as our answer. Now let us do the calculation. Negative 18.1 into 61.5. When we round 81.9, we will get 20. The sign is negative into 61.5 becomes 60. The sign is positive. Okay. 18.1 20 ആയി മാറി 61.5 60 ആയി മാറി. Here we are rounding the numbers to nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10. Now do the calculation. Multiply 2 and 6. 2 6 are 12. Then write the zeros. Easiest way. Okay, 2 into 6 12. Then put the zeros. 2 zeros in 20 and in 60 there are 2 zeros. Write it. Then negative into positive, negative. So our answer is negative 1200. Okay. So children, when we are rounding a number to the nearest whole number, check the digit in the 10th place. Whole number ആണെങ്കിൽ 10th place ആണ് check ചെയ്യുക. Okay. If we are rounding a number to the nearest 10, check the digit in the ones place. Ones place. If the ones place is less than 5, less than 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Replace the ones place by 0 and write the digit in the tens place. Okay. If it is a decimal number means which has tens, thousands, hundred, these places. Then replace these places also by zeros. If the ones place is greater than 5, then you add 1 to the tens place and replace the other places by zeros. Other places means ones, tens, hundreds, etc. Okay. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you, children.